Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will share a perfect Panda Express style orange chicken recipe. This is my husband's secret recipe and I am sharing with you guys so you can try and make by your own. First take some boneless chicken and cut them into small pieces. The pieces can be this size. Put all the pieces in a bowl and add salt and black pepper. Then add 1 egg and 1 egg white. Mix them well. Now adding half cup of corn starch and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Today we are using 4 pounds of chicken breast. Mix them again until all the ingredients stick to the chicken like this. We are using 4 oranges to make fresh juice. Then slicing half orange skin into very thin layer and chopped them into small pieces. Then chopped 7-8 garlic cloves and ginger in 2 small pieces. Remember, you must need to use fresh orange, lemon, garlic and ginger for the best flavor. Adding 2 cups of oil to fry the chicken. You are watching this video because you like orange chicken or you have tried other recipes but was not perfect. I guarantee you, if you try this recipe, you will end up making juicy tender orange chicken. Fry the chicken until it becomes golden brown. Now making gravy for the orange chicken. First frying minced ginger and garlic for better flavor. Adding 4 fresh orange juice and 4 tablespoons soya sauce. Adding 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Adding minced orange skin and boiling it. Then adding 1 tablespoon of corn starch mix and mix them well. Put all the fried chicken in the gravy before it gets thick. Adding 350 ml of honey. And the last ingredient is crushed red pepper. You can use it as per your taste. The ingredients are so easy to find and mostly we always have these ingredients at our home. The perfect Panda Express orange chicken is ready now. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.